Hello friends, I'm Iteshri. Welcome you to my channel Creative Panel. Today I am back with some more interesting ideas to make art more easier for the beginners. Let's start the class. Today we will do the semicircles like this and like this. We'll practice it over the main line for 2 to 50 times. Now let's do the curved lines in different direction like this and in this manner. We have to practice it for at least 2 to 50 times. This will make our hand more free and we will be able to do curvilinear work more smoothly and easily. So practice. Now we will do some leaf which have curved lines in it like this. Okay, let's do another one. Draw the middle line of the leaf, then another curvy line over it, and another curvy line below it. Now it's become ready. Okay, let's do another kind of leaf like this. It might look complicated for you, so let's make it in a simpler manner like this. Draw the outline in a lighter tone like this, then draw the middle line, then give the main outline what you want like this. After completing like this, then you can erase out the main frame or the base frame we have done earlier with a rubber like this. Erase out the outline. Yeah. After erasing the outline, you will get like this structure. Then draw a middle line with some veins in it. Now your leaf is ready. Okay, let's do some leaves more and shade it in different way. After doing this, let's do some shading like this, darker. Then after darker zone, we will do some light zone like this. Yeah, like this. Yeah, let's do another one leaf. This shading is different from the first one. Yeah, you can see the difference in the first shading and the second shading. Okay, now switch to another one leaf. After doing this leaves, we will add some veins and then we will have a shading to this leaf which is different from first two. You can clearly observe now the three leaves have different kind of shading. Now let's do another leaves to make it look like a bunch of leaves. Yeah, like that. Don't forget, where you want to give a darker impression, give more pressure, and where you want to give a lighter impression, just hold your pencil in a light manner so that the pressure will be less and you'll have a lighter shade. Here in the third leaf, I am giving a different kind of sketch to it. Yeah, like this. So friends, like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.